Welcome to the What's New in My Account video for October 2011. Lots of new ad options here under the Premier Ads tab. We're going to start by showing you our newest ad, which are called our landing page ad units. And now these are for advertisers that are without websites, who want to run specific keyword campaigns, etc. Basically, if you have an advertiser that comes to you without a website, they'd like to run an ad, but they'd like somewhere for it to link to, we've prepared a simple, easy to design landing page ad unit that you can host on a page of your choosing, such that when the advertiser or a viewer clicks on the advertiser's ad, it will launch this particular design and ad unit on that landing page. So as you can see here from inside the design, you can make it up to 1,000 by 1,000 pixels or any design smaller than that. You can put whatever images in here. Basically, you're just designing one static image as a designer. You can add multiple click-throughs on this landing page area, but basically it gives your designers an easy, fast way to build a landing page for advertisers that don't necessarily have a website when they first come to you. Next, we're going to show you a new ad unit here under Expanding Ad Units called our Pencil Expander Bottom. This acts just like the other pencil expanders in our gallery, except that instead of expanding from the top of the page, you're going to see the ad load here at the bottom, and it's going to expand up and down from the bottom of the screen. Now what's nice is if a user scrolls up or down, the ad's always going to follow them on the page. So as opposed to a pencil expander that lives at the top, you could actually scroll down and no longer see that ad unit. For the bottom, that's always going to be on screen, the collapsed version, no matter where the user is or where they're scrolling on the page. So a nice new unit there. Next, we're going to show you our pencil expander with video. Again, this is just like the pencil expander that you're used to in your gallery. The only difference is now this expanded ad unit can contain a video. You can dictate the size and shape of the video. You can dictate where it's going to live on the expanded screen, and you can tell it to autoplay sound or not, have the user initiate. All those controls are built in, and again, you can watch the full video for that particular ad unit to learn all of the nuances for that one. Next, we're going to show you some additions to existing ad units. The Simple Peel Image or SWF, one of the more popular corner peel ad units. We've simply added a new feature in here where you'll see that when the ad's collapsed, instead of expanding on rollover, which is still an option, you can simply have an open button that you can click on. So that just didn't happen to be in there before. That's a new feature in, so you can set it to automatically open. The other feature here on this unit is you can now dictate the size of this teaser. So right now it's by default 200 by 200, but you can make it smaller if you want and make sure you're not covering up any critical content on your page. Next, we're going to go on to our new interstitial ads. These ads have been in here, but we've added a new feature which allows you to add, as you'll see here, a timer countdown to these ad units. So basically, if the user is watching it, if they don't click on the close button, you can have a little text section in here that will give you a countdown of whatever duration you want. So you'll see that when the countdown finishes, without clicking anywhere, the ad automatically goes away and you're at the final destination web page. And that feature is built into both the interstitial image or SWF as well as the multi-image. So that new feature is available in both. And finally, we'll take you over to a new version of the wallpaper ad units. We've had the wallpaper ad units that live in conjunction with other ads like pencil expanders, 720 by 90s, etc. But we had requests for just a standalone wallpaper ad unit. So if you'll notice here, when we preview, this is a wallpaper ad that isn't tied in conjunction with any other ad unit. It's just a standalone. You could certainly run other ads through your ad server with this, but it doesn't tie it into any particular ad unit. It's just the background. So that's it for what's new for October. We'll see you again next time.